Okay, in this particular video, we are going to understand the const keyword of ECMAScript. So let's try to understand with a very simple example. I'll say var name equals to skillnagar. I'll say console.log name and pretty straightforward skillnagar. Now I'll say name equals to Avinash. I'll say console.log name. And now you can see the value has changed. So over the time when we are running this particular this particular variable, the value has changed. Now let's do something with const. So I'll say const owner equals to Avinash, console.log owner. So you will see the value. I'll keep it as Avinash say it so that it does not it gets differentiated. But can I do this now? Owner So ECMAScript is saying that the value of a constant cannot be reassigned if I may, or it cannot be, it's not allowed. So you cannot redeclare the value, or I would say you cannot redeclare the value. Whatever has gone down will remain constant. Secondly, let's say you want to say const I'll use a bit new owner, and I'll say new owner equals to Bill Gates. Now again I'm getting the error missing initializer in the const declaration. So what it means is that when you're going to declare a const, you have to declare the value there it is. You cannot declare the value of a const in a next line, or I would say in a separate scope if I talk about. So try to understand, with the help of const, you have to first of all declare it, and you have to assign the value to it also, and you cannot reassign the value.